Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in this video, I will give you all steps you need to follow to view all shortcut keys in Microsoft Word right here. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open a blank MS Word right here. Having opened up a blank MS Word, next thing you want to do is to navigate to View right here. Go ahead and click on View. Under the View, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to Macron. Then go ahead and click on View Macron. Then from the Macron board right here, go ahead and click on here. Then make sure you click on Word Commands, just like so. The next thing you want to do right here is to come to the search right here and type in list commands. Go ahead and select list command. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to run right here. And then current keyboard settings. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do, current keyboard settings. Go ahead and make sure you hit on OK right here. And in a few seconds, you have it being displayed right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available shortcut key in your Word without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.